2 videos already in these clothes in the same day, in the same hour. And I'm just gonna keep, I got this video and I got another video. So yeah, it's the same day, same hour, same everything. But I'm going to be unboxing the I said boxy. Birchbox. See, I cannot talk today. I've been saying that every video. I cannot talk. I'm going to be this is my first Birchbox. So I am excited to see. I forgot which is which also. Forgot which month. This is March and April box. If I can open the box. I don't even know which is which. So, since I don't know which is which, we're just going to go with it. Whichever box I open first. That's the box I open first. Because since I don't know which is which. So, we're going to open this box first. I love this box. Okay, this is the beginning of a new Birchbox experience, and it'll keep getting better. We'll bring you more choices, gathering values, new brands, and fun surprises along the way. We want you to have the best of the best of the best. That was a lot of bests. So, like it is, hate it, we want to know. And this is Texas. And then on the back has how much all the prices are. So I'm so excited to see what's in here. $15 off your next order. Flip over for more details. Okay, so this is my first Birchbox, so I'm not knowing what to expect. So the first item in here is Love Curl Shampoo, which I do have natural curly hair. I have this crochet and I did like 2-3 weeks ago. It's gonna come out eventually, but my hair is really naturally curly, like jerry curl kind of, but it sometimes is loose depending on the day or however I do it. If I comb my curls out, it's jerry curl. If I leave it, it's really spiral curls. So I'm interested in trying this because this is shampoo for curly hair. It enhances the wave of the curl, it says. Oh, it has almond. I want to know this is all natural products. I'm trying to get into all natural products. That's what it looks. This is what it looks like. I'm trying to get into all natural products for my hair. I'm trying to stay away from chemicals. The next one is Bast. It's a plant-based ingredients, which I love because that means there's not a whole lot of chemicals in it. And this is a body wash. It says get it on, get naked, get wild, lather and rub, rinse. That's the directions. And what's the smell like? Oh, I gotta save these still. Actually, it smells like almonds. It kind of smells like almond joy a little bit. But this does not smell bad. This does not smell bad at all. I don't even smell what this smells like. Let me smell what this smells like. Just because I'm on the smell it. I want to smell what everything smells like. Okay, this stinks. This really stinks. You know what this smells like? This smells like... It's only if you go to a hotel and the shampoo at the hotel. This is what it smells like. It smells like... how much is this shampoo? Just a curiosity. This shampoo... Where is that? Okay. Wait, no, that's the mask. Oh, I guess I can't read today. The actual size, the full size is $28. So $30. That's not bad. This is Ayua. I don't know how to say none of this stuff. This is curl and gel for curl and jelly. And then the other part, I do not know how to read this. So what is this actually? The lightweight gel hydrates and defines naturally coiled hair without weighing it down for bouncy, frizzy-free curls. It It's a product for curly hair. And you know, I'm all down for trying new products. This stinks also. This stinks also. This is what this is. Now I use like, it's like the, I forgot what it's called. It's like an orange bottle, but it's for curls, and I love it. I got the shampoo. No, I got some other type of shampoo. It's like honey, some type of shampoo, but I have all the curl stuff for the texture stuff for it, and I love it. Absolutely love it. This is by Marcelli. This is City. This is 24-hour anti-pulling day and night moisturizer. My face is very palm morning night called well clean face neck. My face is very dry. I have a very dry face. So right after my face get wet, period, from the shower, from going swimming, my face instantly gets so dry. Like I have dry patches everywhere. I have really dry skin. I don't know why I'm smelling everything. I don't know why. I don't really smell this. I don't really smell this. But this is what this looks like. I don't know what to call it. Now this is the Love, same brand as the shampoo. This is the conditioner for it. I want to know why we got a big bottle of shampoo but not a big bottle of conditioner. That just makes no sense. Not to have a big bottle of conditioner, you got a big bottle of shampoo. I'm not understanding. I'm not. But this is the conditioner, and it basically says the same thing as it. So I can't smell this because it's in a package. And this is curl hair mask. I never heard of curl hair mask. I heard of hair mask, but curl hair mask. Interested in trying this because I do hot oil treatments on my hair. I do those, and I actually like those. I do those once a month on my hair. I do hot oil treatments on my hair, and actually my hair is softer. My hair is way better. And then now in the summer, I always keep my hair braided so I won't put so much heat and tension on my hair. Now this, oh, sorry, didn't even show you guys what these are. Oh. What these are. What? And then this is liquid shimmer eyeshadow. And I actually have some liquid eyeshadows, which is not bad. This is a dark color. I would actually wear this. This is what this looks like. I would actually wear that. That's actually really not bad. That is really not bad. I would actually wear that. So my first one, it's okay. I don't know none of these products. Probably because I don't use a lot of different stuff on my hair. I mostly use the same stuff on my hair, and this is more all for my hair. But I will try it, even though some of it stinks, whatever like that. I will try it. I would definitely be using the eyeshadow. I'll definitely be using this, and I'm also excited to try the mask. I'm also excited to try that. Now this, I'm not sure. My skin is very sensitive to new stuff, so I will try it. But if I start breaking out after the first 2 days of trying it, yeah, I'm not trying no more. But I will try this though. So my first box is that. Now let's go into the second box. I don't think I can open this one either. So I guess I can't open boxes today. I put some anger in it. Ugh. 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 Ooh, I like this box too. This box looks pretty too. Just throw all that on the floor. Clean it up after. This one says, invite the realist you want to live. Invent the realist you want to live. The future starts now. It's International Women's Day. Oh, it is. Yeah. Okay. So, the first item I see is called Amake. It's a reset. What is a reset? Pink charcoal scalp cleansing oil. I am not sure. I never heard this. What is this? Pre-wash in any oil to foam. Hydrate with pink clay. Removes buildup. Hydrates to encourage healthy scalp. Use it. Massage into dry scalp. Rinse. Dry scalp rinse. Follow with any Amok shampoo. I've never heard of this. So do you use this before you wash your hair? So I guess it said dry hair, and then you have to rinse it out. So this is before you put this in your hair. Before, I would definitely try this though. Oh, it's a bubble. This stinks. But I'll definitely try it though. All this stuff for my hair. This is what this looks like. I'm very curious about this. I've never heard of Reset though. A scalp cleansing oil. It's the first for everything. This is Mariella. This is light hair treatment and styling oil. Light treatment and styling oil. I like styling oils. I would definitely be using this because I like oils in my hair. This smells good. This does not smell that bad. I like oils in my hair. Not too much because my hair is not, I don't have a dry scalp and I don't have an oil scalp. It's like in between. So I don't really need to put that much oil on my hair, and it doesn't need to put like a dab. But I like oils though. I think I use like one right now, and it's by Design Essentials. And I love it. Like, I absolutely love it. That's the only oil I put in my hair. And I put, like, literally a dot. And it's been lasting for, like, 3 years because I don't put that much oil. Now, when my hair is braided, I do. I put a lot of oil in my hair when it's braided. Just so my scalp can stay moist and stuff. But when I wash it every day for my curls, I don't put that much. This is hand cream. Castana hand cream. It's by Esca. Natural Brazil. I don't even know if I showed you guys this. I don't even know. But this is a hand cream looks like. What's this smell like? I hope it smells good because this is for your hands. So I hope this really smells good. It's an okay scent. It's an okay scent. I guess I can't put the top back on there because it's spilling out. It's all around. I hate when lotions do this. Does anybody hate when lotions do this? Like, I just feel like it's spilling all the way out. It's not bad, not bad, not bad. Our serum. This is apply morning. I probably would not be using this just because I don't need this. This stinks. I don't even know anybody who does need this, but I will be giving this away because I don't need no power serum, because I don't need no new age. I'm only 25, so I definitely do not need this. And I don't even look 25. I get that I look like I'm 18, 16 all the time, so I definitely do not need that, but I will be giving it away. So there's no need for me to try or nothing. This is Champagne Problems. This is a one and done eyeshadow stick. want to swatch that. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pigmented. That's pretty. I really like this. Thumbs up. Okay, now that's it. How do I feel about Birchbox? This is my first 2. How do I feel about this? I'm going to give it one more month. I'm going to give it one more month and see how I like it. Cause right now it's a, out of a 10, it's a 5 for me. But I'm gonna give it one more month and see how I like it. And if I like that month, I'll go for next month and then see how I like it. And I'm gonna do it like that because I don't really know how I feel about it yet. And I just don't know. So right now I'm gonna give it one more month. After that month, and I'm going to decide if I'm gonna do another month or I'm ending my subscription. So next month, stay tuned to see if I keep this box next month. After next month, stay tuned. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. You do not want to miss what I'm going to be posting on my channel because my channel is going to be lit because I'm posting a lot of stuff. I'm going to do DIYs next on my stuff. But I see you guys later. Bye.